Hello there, my friends. And this is the Android tip of the day for Gen Xers. And anybody can use this, but you know how like the youngins, they know what they're doing instinctively. They just like grow up with a cell phone in their hand. They do everything real quick and they show us real quick. And then we can't remember. So this is for those of us who like a little bit of a more calm, slower explanation. So, all right, what we're going to talk about today is do not disturb mode. So in do not disturb mode, you can get to that through your settings. You can swipe up and then you'll get to your menu, and the first screen is usually settings, but if you can't find it, just go left or right. And then when you get to settings, it looks like a gear. That's the symbol in Android. Now you can put this on your home screen. I'll show you how to do that in a different video, but press on settings and you'll get a menu. Now this menu, if you go to like the third one down, it says notifications. And it actually does say do not disturb. So these menus will give you an idea of what is in the sub menu. So if you're not sure what these menus mean, you'll have a clue as to where you might find what you're looking for. So go ahead and press notifications and you'll have a screen that comes up that has all kinds of different toggle switches. These are toggle switches, by the way, these things over here. So if you go down to do not disturb, you can see I have mine on because I'm recording my screen. See, you know, say you're going into a meeting, you don't want your phone like beeping every time somebody likes your Facebook post or Instagram, or you don't want somebody calling you in the middle of a movie, or you know, whatever it happens to be. This is a very useful feature. So you can toggle this on and off. You just toggle that by swiping left or right, and you can see I accidentally went into the menu and there are other options under do not disturb, but I'm just showing you how to toggle it on or off. So that's the conventional way, by going into settings. But if you're just on your regular screen, or any screen really, what you can do is you can pull down. So you're going to want to like swipe down, pull from the top, pull down twice. And what you'll see is you'll see another menu. This is your quick menu, right? Which has a bunch of quick settings here. Swipe left, okay? And you'll see the do not disturb logo is the second one down in the left-hand column. And you can click, you can just press that and it'll go on or off. So I just pressed it off and press it back on. And one thing about do not disturb that's very good to know is that if you have an alarm set, the alarm will still go off and you'll be able to hear the alarm, or it will vibrate depending on what you have it set for. Even if you're in do not disturb mode, because it prioritizes alarms first. So let's say it's late at night, you put your do not disturb mode on, you fall asleep. The next morning, your warning alarm will still go off so that you can wake and get ready for your day. So that's all I've got today. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer questions because that's the way I learn. Smashing like helps me a ton because it puts me higher in the list of the YouTube algorithm. I don't even know how that works. All I know is that it helps if you like it. And if you want to see more, subscribe. That helps me too. So please feel free to ask questions, because when I try to find out something to answer for you, I learned something. So have a great day. See if you can do something nice for somebody today without getting caught, and see you on the next one.